Greetings to all of you. So, siguro kung panood kayo ng video na ito, you were making an inquiry about Kaiser International Health Group. Okay, so in this video, pag-uusapan po natin kung ano at kung sino, no, si Kaiser International Health Group. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so Kaiser International Health Group is exclusively distributed by International Marketing Group or IMG. So IMG is a financial brokerage company, one of the largest brokerage company in the Philippines and in the whole world. So our company IMG is already 22 years or more than 20 years in the financial industry. So sa lahat ng mga taong gustong kukuha ng Kaiser, dadaan muna talaga sila sa IMG brokers, okay? So our company right now is having this campaign of financial literacy. So when we talk about financial literacy, talagang nagtuturo po kami about finances. Okay, so we have this campaign since 2021 to educate 30 million Filipinos by year 2030, and very lucky or talagang nagpapasalamat kami kasi we are already 11 million plus, no? So almost 12 million na po kami. So obviously makukuha talaga namin ang 30 million Filipinos na mai-educate by year 2030 or kahit even before 2030. Okay. So my name is Dr. Melcy, and of course together with my partner James, we are doing financial education po, no, since 2015. So matagal-tagal na din po. So I am a certified associate financial planner and a life license underwriter and one of the CEO of IMG and Green Jacket 5-star. Okay, so yan po ang aking a little of my background. But anyway, I am a teacher by profession. But currently po, full-time na po ako talaga sa IMG. Okay. So, bakit po namin tinuturo, by the way, ang financial education? Because Filipinos right now are facing challenges. So, at least matutulungan natin, no, ang lahat ng ating mga kababayan, no? So, there are four challenges na kinakaharap ng mga Filipino ngayon. Number one is uncertain labor market. So automation and powerful software continue to replace more and more workers, and manufacturing jobs are moving overseas to cut costs. So marami po ang mawawalan or nawawalan ng trabaho dahil nga of course, no, hindi na kailangan yung manpower because of high technology. So ang impact kasi nito, if isa tayo sa mga mawawalan ng trabaho, hanggang kailan po makasurvive yung ating family, especially if we are the only breadwinner in the family. Okay, number two na challenge is low savings and high debt. So this have a major impact on retirement. Many people or Filipino people have to work beyond 65 years of age to survive. So of course, kahit tayo, kung magre-retire na po tayo, we don't like to work na, no? So but ang kadalasan po na nagre-retire ngayon, they will still continue to work kahit nagre-retire na sila kasi of course, wala silang masyadong naiipon, and especially kapag wala silang masyadong pension, no? Or nasa private sila, or kung may pension man, nasangla din yung mga ATM, no? So medyo there will be a financial challenge, no, kahit po nagre-retire na. So yan po, iiwasan po natin yan, no, yung magre-retire tayo na walang ipon. Kasi gusto natin kapag retirement, of course, enjoy na lang tayo po sa ating mga remaining years, no, while retire. So number three is high cost of education. So as well as lack of preparation for college planning will hurt the younger generation. So yan po, isa din sa mga challenges ng mga Filipino. Ito yung mga magpapaaral sa mga anak, no? Kasi hindi po pinaghandaan, no, ang education ng kanilang mga anak. So that is why pagdating ng college, magkakandara pa na yung parents. So isa sa mga tinuturo natin dito is how to save and invest for the education of your children. Paano ka mag-ipon? Paano mo ma-budget yung lahat ng kinikita mo ngayon para um, ma-diversify po yung ating kinikita sa kung saan man yung ating mga priorities. Number four, increasing cost of living. This make many people have difficulty in saving money for their future needs. And when the need arises like emergency repair, illness, tuition fee, and etc., their only option is debt. And living in one of the wealthiest countries in the world like US, many people may still retire poor. So, na-experience po natin 'yan or alam na po natin 'yan ngayon na ang mahal-mahal na po ng mga bilihin. So, ang challenge niyan is kapag, ang inflation is lalong tumataas pero yung ating kinikita hindi tumataas 'no, and, 10 years, 20 years from now magre-retire na po tayo. Magkano na po ba ang kakailanganin natin in terms of, our needs? So, kukulangin po kung, ibe-base po natin 'yan sa inflation ngayon or sa presyo ng mga bilihin ngayon. So that is why we need to prepare on how much money do we need in the future. Dapat alam natin. And you know what guys, these things po tinuturo lang po siya sa International Marketing Group. Ngayon lang po ang nakakita ng company na nagtuturo about this kasi hindi po siya talagang masyadong ini-emphasize sa school. So in controlling our future, tinuturuan din tayo sa company IMG. Now, your future is not in the hands of your employer, union, or government. It is neither in the hands of your bank or nor your broker. So the future is in your hands, no? Dapat DIY po ito, do it yourself. Dapat matuto tayo, aralin natin, no? Kasi wala pong gagawa niyan para sa atin kundi tayo lang. So make money, save money, accumulate money, and protect money. So that is what we are going to do. Yan pong tinuturo natin dito. So, of course, be your own money manager and understand how money works. Hindi pwede na tayo lang po yung magtatrabaho para sa pera hanggang sa tatanda tayo. Dapat matutunan din natin kung paano yung pera ay magtatrabaho para sa atin. Di ba po? Kasi if we work for money, we work for 8 to 10 hours a day, but if the money will work for us, it will work 24 hours, 7 days a week na walang pahinga. So, mas mabilis pala magtrabaho ang pera para sa atin. But the question is, alam ba natin kung papaano? Now, ang pinaka-core na tinuturo ng IMG is itong building a solid financial foundation, strong and solid financial foundation. Alam niyo po ba na merong priorities dapat ang pag-build ng pundasyon or foundation? Unang-una, sa pinakababa, kasi like building a house, we must build it from the ground up. Ang pinakababa, we must increase our cash flow. No, dapat madagdagan yung kinikita natin or ini-income natin. Then we have to prioritize na yung proper protection on number 1, life, number 2, health, and number 3, disability. Because this is really happening or mangyayari talaga yan sa bawat tao at bawat pamilya. So we need to prioritize, no? Third is we have to manage our debts and reduce liabilities, no? So paano po ba yan na makawala na tayo sa utang or makawala sa utang yung ibang mga tao, no? Hindi man lahat may utang, hindi man lahat mayroong mga liabilities, pero kadalasan po mayroon talaga mga obligations and liabilities. And gusto naman natin talaga na ma-zero out yun. So tinuturo po din yan sa company. Have an emergency fund which is equivalent to 3 to 6 months of your salary or expenses, whichever is higher. So that's the things that we do here. So kung alam natin na wala pa tayong emergency fund, we should start saving na for our emergency fund, build up savings and investment, no? And when we talk about savings and investment, it should be or dalawa pong klase yan, solid and liquid. Solid are those tangible or can be touched na mga investments. Liquid naman are those which are non-tangible or we call it paper asset, no? Or yung mga shares of stocks natin, no? So, but as what you have noticed, we should build this foundation from the ground up. Huwag muna natin unahin yung savings and investment sa itaas. Kasi kung gaano man kadami yung pera ninyo, meron kayong mga solid liquid investments, pero pagkakasakit tayo at hindi tayo handa in terms of health, life, and disability, mauubos at mauubos talaga yung mga properties natin just to what? I-replace natin doon sa protection on life, health, and disability. So mas maganda talaga na nag-i-inquire kayo tungkol sa Kaiser kasi this program is a very good program. No, so ang nakaganda sa Kaiser because you have what we call investment side. It means to say that your money will work for you kasi yung mga yung pera na invested ninyo, no, in a certain or period of time ay meron siyang tubo, no, na maximum 10%, minimum 3%. So ibig sabihin walang negative or zero return yung pera ninyo, at the same time guys, covered na kayo with healthcare. So i-discuss ko po yan later. So what's the good thing in putting your money with an interest rate? The good thing is your money is already working for you. Kasi yan po ang hinahanap natin, yung ang pera ay magtatrabaho para sa atin. So because we place our money in a vehicle nga merong interest rate, of course, it will grow and have a compounding interest, no? So by the time na tapos na kayo mag-invest or tapos na yung paying period, of course, no? Living on interest ka na kasi patuloy pong tumutubo yung pera ninyo. So the good thing kasi guys, ito yung tinuturo sa IMG na dapat while we get older, we should also increase our wealth and reduce the liabilities. Kasi po guys, we cannot achieve financial freedom kapag itong dalawang linya na ito, green at saka black, hindi mag-intersect. No, dapat aakyat itong green line at bababa itong black line. Kasi kapag ang mangyari, hindi aakyat yung green at hindi bababa yung black, kung hindi same sila ng path, no? Ibig sabihin, hindi tayo maka-achieve ng financial freedom. So, ang topic na ito guys, compounding interest, is discussed in the previous video. No? Kung manghingi kayo about mutual funds and stock market, meron din tayong video niyan. So, savings and investment is part of what we teach in IMG because this is where our money is working for us. But the good thing is tinuturuan tayo sa tamang pag-iipon. That's the good thing. Tamang pag-iipon at tamang mga vehicle, no? So, stock market is simply, no, we are investors of different blue chips companies in the Philippines. So, isa tayo sa mga tinuturo. But again, in this video, our focus is purely on Kaiser. Pero dinidiscuss ko din ito kasi this is where your money is growing in Kaiser. So your investment in Kaiser is growing here in mutual funds, specifically Soldivo Bond Fund. Okay? So, do you know about life insurance? Okay, dapat pag-uusapan natin to ngayon. So life insurance, of course, existing ito sa market. Pero minsan, hindi dinidiscuss ng agent natin kung anong tipong insurance yung kinukuha natin. So, ang mga insurance guys, kadalasan are VUL, no, or whole life or index life. So, VUL yung 2-in-1 po yan, investment at saka life insurance, no? Kung meron man silang riders, ibig sabihin yan, meron kang magagamit sa critical and terminal illness. So, that's kadalasan sa mga VUL. Pero, kapag sinasabi nating natural illness, of course, hindi po pwedeng gamitin si life insurance kasi nga hindi siya healthcare, okay? Kadalasan din sa mga life insurance, matagal po bago matapos ang pagbayad. Minsan, whole life po magbabayad. And another po is, sa life insurance din, hindi tayo makagarantiya ng return or money return or money back. Not guaranteed because it depends on the galaw of the stock market. That's mostly of the life insurance. Hindi ko naman sinasabi lahat, no? Pero mostly. So, why we discuss this? Because we wanted to educate people na do not invest on something you don't understand. No, yan po yung pinaka-emphasize ng aming company. So, hindi ko po maitatakol itong life insurance lahat in this video. Pero kapag member kayo ng International Marketing Group, parte ito sa education na matutunan ninyo. No, so because we have also membership benefit ng company namin. If you are member ng company namin, lahat ito ituturo sa atin. In fact, you can take examinations if you want to become life license, no? So, meron yan sa company natin. So, dito na tayo sa long-term care. Ito na po yung pinaka-focus natin. Ang long-term care kasi guys is the answer to the question, what if we live too long? So, of course, there is a question, what if I die too soon? What if I get sick? But this question, what if I live too long, is the most challenging question. Because what if I live too long, who will take care of me? What will happen to my family? No? Meron na ba ako, sapat na ba ang aking hinahanda? So, yan ang mga questions na dapat natin isipin. So, long-term care, guys, will give us the solution, no, on this financial needs, no? So we have different financial needs kasi. So long-term care is the lifetime income option of a long-term care can provide you with income as long as you live. Ibig sabihin, kahit nagre-retire na kayo, you still have an income for your needs. Meron ka pang income kahit hindi ka na nagtatrabaho, no? Kasi matanda na tayo neto. Long-term care provide you health care when you retire or when you stop working, someone to take care of you when you get old. Kasi guys, when we stop working, wala na po yung mga healthcare natin sa companies natin. When we get old, especially reaching the age of 61, wala na din yung mga individual premium na kinukuha natin yearly. So we call that individual premium yearly short-term healthcare. Wala na din yan, especially if we are beyond 60s, no? Now, how comfortable is your healthcare situation after age 60 depends on the decision you're going to make today. So, kasi guys, minsan sasabihin natin, mahal kasi, mahal kasi. No, if you can still make it, if you can still make money for it, hindi yan mahal because we're not yet getting sick. Hindi pa tayo nagkakasakit. But if nagkakasakit na tayo, wala tayong ganitong long-term care, the more na mahal siya. Kasi hindi na tayo makahanapan ng pera. So, dapat iba na yung mindset ng Filipino. So, do you expect the government or your children to take care of you if you live too long? No, not in the Philippines. But in the other country, yes, meron silang support for the people. Pero, dito sa guys, dito sa tawag neto sa Pilipinas, wala po, no? Okay. So, these are the complete financial plan. So, healthcare to provide you healthcare when you retire, when you stop working, someone to take care of you, and when you get old. So, how comfortable is your healthcare situation after age 60 depends on the decision you're going to make today. The good thing in this long-term care, guys, is 10 years old to 60 years old, pwede pa tayong kumuha at lifetime na po tayong cover hanggang sa mabubuhay tayo. But yung short-term na yearly renewable, that is only until age 60 and that is every year tayo magre-renew na walang money back. Walang return of our money and that is purely HMO, no? Income protection or life insurance is part of our Kaiser International Health Group long-term. So, sabi ko nga kanina, ang iba pure HMO, dito sa Kaiser natin, merong life insurance inclusion. So, to protect your family if you die too soon. So, life insurance protection can help you replace your income, help finance your children's education, pay estate tax, pay debts, etc. instantly. Because life insurance is an instant replacement of our income to our family members. And that is already included in our long-term care. No emergency fund, money you can use for any emergency once the policy matures because we can use the money that we have saved in here, no? Investment to generate continuing income for you when you retire. Because actually, if you have money guys, tapos nag-mature na siya, hindi mo kukunin lahat ng pera mo doon, hindi mo ilamsam, continue pa din siyang mag-grow kasi nga investment po siya. So these are the complete financial plan found in our Kaiser International Health Group long term. What if I could tell you about a product that provides complete solution to your three major financial needs? Yun nga, no, that is our Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder 3-in-1. So, this Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder 3-in-1 is a 7-year pay. So, 7 years to pay po ito, but lifetime cover, no? After 7 years, stop na po kayong mag-save. Hayaan mo na pong mag-mature yung pera ninyo at 8th year to the 20th year. Sa loob ng 13 years, therefore, your money will have an interest. No? Magkukompound po yung pera nyo dyan. So if in this example, the plan holder starts at age 22, at age 42, of course, mature na yung plan niya. Pero kung di pa niya kukunin yung kanyang plan at age 42, of course, tuloy-tuloy po yung pagtubo ng kanyang pera dito. Okay? So that's it, no? 7 years to pay, 13 years to mature, no? And after the maturity, you can get your money lump sum. Pwede din na meron kayong choices after po ng maturity. So kayo na pong bahala kung ano yung pipiliin ninyo. So that's it. In this example, 58,000 yung kanyang iniipon for yearly for 7 years, total of 411,750. Then, nakukuha niya sa lump sum is 1.1 million, no? So, of course, that is average na po for our retirement. Average, no? Kasi nagre-retire tayo 20 years from now, eh. No? So, that's an average. But you can still get a higher plan with that. So, later on po, sabihin ko po yung magkano yung per age bracket. So, what can we get out from this plan? Of course, meron tayong yearly physical examination benefit, dental benefit, meron tayong waiver of installment due to death. Kapag yung plan holder namatay, within 1 month lang siya nagbayad o hindi na natapos yung 7 years, mafu-full pay po yung buong 7 years. Life insurance will be given to the immediate family or beneficiaries. If the cause of death is accident, so double the premium of the life insurance ang mabibigay. Then matransfer po sa beneficiaries yung lahat ng health benefits at mag-aantay na lang po ng maturity period yung beneficiaries and bago they can get their money, no, yung lump sum. No, so basic medical benefit, member's choice of board and room and board, no. So ibig sabihin guys, included dito ang hospitalization. But of course, kung itatanong ninyo anong klaseng sakit ang pwedeng ma-cover ng healthcare Kaiser, of course lahat naman na sakit. But because lahat naman ng mga insurance companies merong mga contestability, ang mga critical and terminal illness cover siya ng after 7 years, no? So that's the ano natin sa long term. Tapos yung natin, dental, that's per year. Hospitalization, that's per year pa din. No, bakit po? Kasi of course, walang ipon sa walang tapon sa iniipon mo dito. Kasi nga guys, kahit nag-invest ka ng 58,000 per year, binibigyan ka ng hospitalization na libre kasi hindi nagagalaw yung pera mo kahit na hospital ka pa. Now, ma'am, bakit po kami kukuha ng long term kaysa short term? If you are thinking of your coverage from the older years ninyo, long term ang kukunin mo. Kasi wala na po tayong short term kapag matanda na tayo. Pero if gusto mo ma-cover ngayon ng per illness sa hospitalization, you are to get the short term kasi per illness po yun. Pero walang money-back yung short term ha. Itong sa long term natin, ibibigay po lahat ng pera mo sa long term, di ba? Next is, ang limitation din ng long-term care natin, per year ang coverage ng hospitalization, hindi per illness. Again, the reason is kasi hindi po nagagalaw yung pera ninyo kahit po ay nagka-hospital kayo, di ba? So, and at the same time, meron tayong tinatawag na beneficiaries na 4, immediate family. Ano po ang role ng beneficiaries? Kung magka-hospital ang beneficiaries at walang pang down payment yung beneficiaries, pwede pong gamitin si Kaiser Health Card ng primary holder para ma-admit siya na walang down payment. Pero at the end of the billing or kung mag-billing na, of course, you are to negotiate this with Kaiser kung anong gagawin, no? Babayaran nyo, whatever. Kasi only the plan holder has the coverage sana. Pero meron tayong tinatawag na family assistance. So kasi kapag cover din ang family members, mangyayari, libre na po yung iba kasi isa lang namang nagbabayad. And always remember, walang libreng insurance, no? Pero meron nga lang, beneficiaries. Kami nga, 3 kami sa aming family, we all have Kaiser. Isa-isa po yung Kaiser namin. Of course, kasi what if magkasakit kaming 3? So meron kaming policy. Of course, lahat kami magpe-pension, tatanda. So dapat iba-iba din yung pension. Di ba? Hindi lang isa, no? Okay. So, in this example, guys, 42 yung maturity age. Kung hindi niya kukunin ang 1.1M sa 42, pag age 60, that's 6.4 and 65, that's 10.4. So, look at that, no? Ang capital niya nan is only 411,000, pero libre siya ng hospitalization per year na 60,000, okay? So, meron pang life insurance benefit. So, ito po yun, guys, no? Annual physical exam, dental check-up, term life insurance, inpatient benefits, waiver of installment due to death, no, na-discuss ko na yan kanina, at the age of, or after the 13th year or 20th year, kasi 7 years to pay, 13 years to mature, pwede niya kukunin yung lump sum, pwede naman niya kukunin yung, anong tawag nito, whole amount, pwede niya kukunin yon, no? Okay. So, yan po ang about Kaiser. So, I will continue. So, kapag member lang siya sa IMG, hindi siya kumuha ng Kaiser Plan, 6,000 lang po yung membership niya pero one time lang. Meron nga lang siyang renewal every year kasi membership benefits man ito. So, renewal is only 1,500. Ano din ang makukuha niya kapag member siya sa IMG? Number 1, of course, yung financial education na lifetime na worth 50,000 to 70,000. yung 1,000 niya sa 6,000 napunta sa Soldivo Bond Fund or stock market investment, pwede na siya makadagdag niya ng 20 pesos dun sa investment niya na 1,000. Pwede na siya maging agent, no? Or pwede na siya mag-earn through Kaiser mga sales, no? Meron na siyang 50,000 policy for the memorial coming from the Fidelity Life. Meron na siyang 100,000 personal accidental insurance. Meron na siyang free unlimited check-up. Meron na siyang 20% discount on laboratory services. And yung family din niya, discounted na din sa check-up ng 20%, discounted na din ng laboratory services. If you want to get a car or buy a car, new car, discounted. If you have insurances na binabayaran sa sasakyan ninyo, you can have discount on your insurance, no? Kasi ang baba lang. So, ibig sabihin po, ang IMG membership is a membership benefits. Mag-member ang tao dahil sa benefit, no? So, yan lang. Pero kung ayaw niya naman mag-member, mag-Kaiser siya, din kukuha din siya ng long term. Pwede din mag-member siya at the same time mag-Kaiser kasi minsan kung nagugustuhan mo si Kaiser long term, i-refer mo din siya or recommend mo din siya sa friends mo or sa family members mo. If you're a member ni IMG, you will serve as agent na doon. O, di ba? So you can have extra income. Well, anyway, kami din noon, part-time, pero hanggang sa kalaunan, naging full-time kami. Aside from that, we have this magic to travel. No, this is 2 years past. Hindi na namin ini-include yung iba pang mga pictures, pero we were in Malaysia, London, Dubai, Japan, Korea, Taipei, no, Malaysia. At the same time, Hong Kong and Macau last November 2023. This coming March 2024, we'll be going to Bangkok. No, and a lot more kasi maraming travels talaga si IMG. So if you want to travel, be part of our company, well, of course, hindi ko naman masasabi within a short video. You can attend our orientation din po online or face-to-face. No, so ito po yung travel namin sa Macau and Hong Kong last year. No, so because I'm part of the executive, nagkakaroon kami ng executive meeting or green jacket meeting. No, so ito po yung Thailand natin. So, ito pala yung partners natin. If you are member of IMG, you are now an independent representative of these companies. Kaiser, representative ka na. Fidelity and Manila Bankers, investment side, Ramp Soldivo, and etc. Real estate, no, partner din natin yan. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw ay nag-represent ng companies na ito kapag member ka ng IMG. And by the way, I'm proud to say that we're leading now the financial industry, guys, because we're already more than 20 years, no? So, ito po mga members ng IMG na naging executive, mga teachers din sila noon, no? Mga businessman, meron naman dyan. Of course, IMG members din ang mga PNP, no? Kasi of course, nagkakonduct ko ng lecture nationwide, o 'di ba? So, party sila kasi maganda po ang tinuturo talaga ni IMG. So, ito po yung ano guys, pwede mong kitain kapag member ka na ng IMG or agent ka na, from your membership na 6,000 pesos one time, that is your lifetime membership na, accreditation, SEC registration, agent code, and training materials. Example, may kukuha ng 2,600 per month or 26,000 per year. Meron ka ng 20% commission kapag associate ka na. So, that's 5,200 of this 26,000 or 20% of the 2,647, yung pinakababa na plan. So, it depends pala sa amount or plan yung commission mo dito. Now, if you will be promoted to marketing director, 37% commission na, and then, of course, to senior marketing director, 47%. Now, marketing director is a supervisory position and senior marketing director is a managerial position. Now, senior marketing director has an override of 10% from the marketing director and override of 27% from the associate. So, ibig sabihin guys, there is a very good career that is waiting for you here in IMG. So, if you wish to have a second career aside from what you do today, no, so this is the best company kasi nga, hindi tayo ordinaryong ahente dito. We are building our own business because we're independent representatives. So, I think that would be all guys. So, ang masasabi ko lang talaga, no, as a synthesis or as a summary, why is it very good to get a long-term care sa Kaiser? Because it is very unique. Unique in the sense that andito na yung healthcare na lifetime yung coverage, andito na yung life insurance, at the same time hindi po tapon yung iniipon ninyo because it's earning 10% interest. And you can assure that our company is legit because of course this is accredited, lahat ng mga private hospitals nationwide. O, di ba? And Kaiser has been used by Senate na and Congress for how many years already? Marami na din tayong natutulungan ng mga OFWs, no? So, kahit saan ka man, pwede ka magkuha ng Kaiser. Actually, policy lang kailangan natin for the hospitalization and ID, no? At the same time, yung payment ninyo, direkta yun sa account ng company. Wala na pong third party doon. Pwede nyo nang isend sa account ng company, no? And of course, wala pong huwag kayong mabahala kasi our company IMG is already more than 20 years in the financial industry. So ma'am, bakit po kukunin si IMG, si Kaiser ma'am than the other insurance? Because number one, healthcare na ito. Number two, meron ng life insurance. Number three, guaranteed return. No? So, grabe po, ang iyong future is talagang built na po talaga kapag meron kang Kaiser. Complete na kasi yung solid financial foundation mo. Meron ka ng healthcare, meron ka ng life insurance, meron ka ng investment. So kung mag-build ka na ng emergency fund, well, mag-ano ka na lang, member ka ng IMG para meron kang extra income. Kasi ako nga noon, I am just a part-time here, but ngayon full-time na po. I hope meron po akong nabibigay sa inyo na kunting kaalaman, and I hope you will decide na po to become a member of IMG or get your plan. No? Kasi po, importante talaga na meron tayong Kaiser. Thank you so much, guys!